Okay, so they're raking. Keep making the noises, guys. Go really lively. And lift it up really high when you guys...
Are you like the director or something?
Yes.
Yeah, you're the director.
Oh, wow. You guys look so cool.
Oh, let's go! You're like killing it, bro. You're like killing it. Awesome! Whoa, we are not working together here.
Guys, you're not doing what you did before. Keep going. Ah!
No, we're trying to rake, and it's not helping that I have pink gloves.
Yeah, it's not helping.
Oh my god. Why don't we...
Kai's wearing pink gloves. Can't you see?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
And I think I was wearing blue ones.
Whoa! I didn't do it.
Hi! Taking a picture?
Yeah, it's not very often I catch my girls doing work.
Girls?
Oh, and Kai.
And sun, also.
Dude, don't you see the guys are working together?
Yeah, teamwork. And a teamwork
I'm
is
videotaping
right
them.
while the builder is wrong.
Can we fix this?
No.
Say,
No, we're trying to get the grass out.
I think we did it.
Kais, make sure you say yes we can or no we can't when she says can we fix it.
Can we fix this? Yes, we. Yeah, no, we can't.
I'm gonna live a long, miserable life.
Speak louder, people.
I'm taking a video of it. It's hilarious.
Hi, grass.
Stop killing the grass.
But I like it.
That works.
Mom, Kais is killing the grass. Okay, bye, people.